it's me, Alegra. Dolls, today is my birthday, so I'm so excited, guys. It's been like, it's a snowstorm. There was a huge snowstorm, so I'm not really sure what I can do. Plus it is a quarantine, you know, so with the quarantine and everything, I thought I would just hop on for a little quarantine birthday vlog, see what's up with you beauties. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today, because I was thinking, is the mall even gonna be open? I was gonna go to the mall and you know, get a birthday surprise, but I'm not sure if the mall's gonna be open because a lot of the roads are closed. The snow is so bad. It was like 2 feet of snow, so I'm not sure. Usually we go out to eat on my birthday. I don't know if we go out to eat, so we have to see what's open. But I'm so happy, guys. I woke up today, I got so many nice messages. My husband got me these really beautiful balloons, and he got me this really nice card, you guys. Oh, isn't that so nice? So beautiful, the design on it. And then he got me the roses the other day, but now he got the balloons today, so he put the balloons in with the roses. So we're gonna try to head out, guys. I was gonna show you my OOT day. I don't know what I could wear though, guys, because it's still snowing. So I'm gonna just put, like, that's all I wear anymore is my black puffy coat, my black leggings. So that's pretty much what I have on right now. You know, thank goodness my Chanel bag is vegan, so it's not leather, so it can get wet. So I'll probably bring that bag, and if we get out, we'll see. We don't even know if we can get down the driveway, you guys, because we got the snow plowers came and they like blocked us in with the snow. So everybody in my neighborhood's like, how are you gonna get out? We don't even know how we're gonna get down the driveway. So anyway, guys, wish me luck. I'll be back in a few and let you know how it goes. So guys, here is my birthday OOTD. Guys, my husband just busted out of the driveway. He took his truck and busted through the snow. I was like, I can't believe it. I really thought there was no way I was getting out for my birthday. I was like, we are locked in, snowed in, that's it. We are not getting out. But guys, we're getting out. So we're gonna go to the mall right now. But guys, look at this. My husband, he just surprised me with this Chanel pendant necklace right here. So I'm gonna show it to you guys later when I get on, but that was just a surprise that he gave me, so I'm so happy. I just have on the faux leather leggings, and I'm just wearing my Prada booties. I always wear these now, guys. I had them for so long and I never wore them. I don't know what it is, they didn't fit me. It was the weirdest thing, they did not fit me, but now they fit. I guess you could see them better. They're a little bit messed up from going out in the snow, but they're waterproof. And they're really comfy. I can't believe it, because like I said, I had these for years and I was meaning to put them on eBay or Poshmark and sell them, but I never got around to it. I'm so glad I didn't. They have the shearling inside. They're so warm and they're waterproof, so it's nothing. It's amazing. And then this is just a Forever 21 top that I got way back when. I never wore this either. I'm so happy I found it, because I had nothing to wear, because I pretty much packed up everything to move to our new house, so I really didn't have a lot of clothes here. But I just found this, so I'm good to go. So I'll pop back in, guys, and let you know if we get to the mall, if it's open, because I'm thinking it's like gonna be, you know, I'm not even sure if it's gonna be open. So let me see, guys. I'll find out, and I'll pop back in and let you guys know. So beauties, we just got home. We wound up making it to the mall like you guys saw, and so I figured I would show you guys what I got. It's right over there in that little bag. And then the stores were open. We were the only people there though, but it's awesome because, you know, or you know, it's at least we got in. That's what I'm trying to say. At least we got in, you guys. And so I'm just feeling so festive, so I just popped on this little headband. But I'm gonna do an unboxing and show you guys what I got. I'm so excited. And we picked up some sushi and some cake, so we're gonna eat now, and then I'll hop back on and show you guys what I got, and we'll do a little unboxing. It is pink, so I'm so happy. It's right in here, you guys. So I'll give you a sneak peek. So I'll be back, guys, and like I said, we'll unbox that. So guys, we just ate and it was really good, so I'm so happy because I've been eating healthy now. So a lot of times, you know, I'm like, I felt kind of bad because I know I used to I used to be like addicted probably to food, to sweets. I would like pretty much every day, especially on my birthday, I would make it all about food, and I would just eat from the morning till the night, just plan out all the different foods that I wanted to eat, to baker, and I always want to go to the bakery and get cookies and, you know, cupcakes. And now that I'm eating healthy, and I can't do that anymore, you know, for health reasons, I was like, what am I going to do now? But we went to the organic market and they had delicious, and I haven't really eaten them before, so this was my first time. But they had delicious, you know, gluten-free, sugar-free little cakes, and so I got this really delicious little it was chocolate, but there was no sugar, no gluten and things like that. You know, it's healthier. And it was, you know, chocolate, zucchini bread, but it was so good. And they had banana bread, and then I got some oatmeal cookies. It was so good, you guys. So anyway, guys, let me go ahead now and unbox this. I cannot believe that I got in store, you guys. Like I was telling you guys earlier, I didn't even think when the snowstorm started yesterday, I was like, I'm not even going to be able to get out of my house. It was that bad. And then, like I was saying before, the snowplows came and they blocked us in. They blocked our driveway in. So I didn't even think we were going to be able to get out. So anyway, guys, so let me go ahead and unbox this. So I'll just go like that. Go like that. And oh, I don't want to mess up the flower. Somebody I was watching said that her flowers had glitter and stuff on them. I haven't seen that yet. So anyway, here it is. And what do you guys think it is? This is actually not the right box for it, so it's kind of tricky right there. But she didn't have the actual box for this piece. But anyway, guys, I don't even think it's going to be wrapped up properly. Oh, it is. Okay. Because she's saying that she didn't have the right box and she didn't have the right paper. So here's the receipt. But anyway, here we go, guys. Oh my god, so it comes in a beautiful velvet pouch. So nice and soft. Inside. And then, you guys, hey, isn't it beautiful? You guys, I love it so much. She said they just got this color in, and it is a new color this season. And this is my first card case. I never would have thought of buying this, but I've been watching videos. I didn't really understand what this was pretty much, or I never really looked into it. But now I see these are so great. These Chanel small leather goods are so good because they can fit in your really small purses, which I really didn't understand. And so once I started watching videos, and I was like, oh my god, that's exactly what I need, because who can fit anything in your small little purses? So let's see here what it says. Card holder, classic card holder, gold M. I don't know if it says the color on it. It just says pink. So I'm so happy, you guys. And I do have a pink Chanel bag that I'll just get in a moment so we can compare the color, because I wanted to see if it matches this color, if the color is same. This is a caviar leather though. So look at this, you guys. It has a big roomy front pocket where you could put maybe your bills or cash. And then it has a zipper pocket where you can put coins or things like that with the zipper pull. Oh, and then here is where you put your credit cards and maybe your ID and things like that. The leather feels so nice, you guys. It feels very soft, but it is caviar leather, but it feels nice and soft too. But I love that it's caviar, because I wasn't sure. This is my first time even holding it, because I just saw it in the case and I was like, yes, that's my dream piece right there. So let's see. So you put all your cards here, so you can fit 1, 2, 3 cards at least. I'm sure you could double them up if you want. It feels really soft and pliable. And then it has the Chanel logo inside. So guys, this is my other Chanel bag that I have. So I thought they would look really cute together, but this color is a bit different. This is a new pink. So this is not the same pink as this one, but that's fine. But but the hardware is actually that very light. I'm sorry, there is a name for it, but I forgot. It's a very, like, this one has the same hardware. It's like a very, very, very light gold. So it looks almost silver, but it's not. So I never use this bag, guys, because this bag is lambskin. So I'm so, oh, see, I think I just scratched it. I'm so scared of scratching it, you guys. I think I just scratched it with my nail. Anyway, guys, this bag, like I said, I don't like to use this a lot, but I do have a white caviar Chanel that this will look really cute with too. I have that upstairs though, but I'll show you that another day. But I thought this would be really cute when I go to Florida. I was thinking about bringing this with me. So you see my regular wallet I have, it really wouldn't fit in here, or it'd be so big and bulky that, you know, it would take up all the room. But so you get a card holder, and then it's not big and bulky. You have room for your phone, you have room for some makeup in your little bags. Yeah, so this, I thought that would look really cute together. And like I said, I have a white one. I have black too, but I think in the future I'll get a black one of these, because now that I know about it, I want them all. Like, I totally could see having a black one for my black bags. I think that's pretty much it. To be honest, maybe I feel like I would love to get a white one if to go in my white bag. But, you know, maybe that's excessive. I don't know. Anyway, guys, and I love this front pocket. You could just fit so much, and I love that it's not gonna get scratched too. I don't know if these normally come in lambskin, but I would never buy a lambskin again. Because this is so, I'm just constantly scared that I'm gonna scratch it. So I could not be happier, guys. I love this color. Oh my god. So my Chanel that I go to is Chanel at the Westchester. I usually go to that one. Sometimes I go to the city, because I live right outside of New York City. I don't live in New York City. So the one at Neiman Marcus is right down the street from me. So that's the one that I usually go to. They have one in Greenwich too, at Saks in Greenwich, but I never bought anything there, but they have one there. But maybe when I move, because where I'm moving to it's not that far from here, but I think I'm going to be closer to Greenwich. So maybe I'll go to Greenwich more, which is fun because people are really glam. There's a lot of glam. There's a lot of people watching to Greenwich. People watching is amazing. So that'll be fun. We could go. I'll take you guys along with me. Maybe we'll spot somebody. I know last time I was there, I saw Stephanie Seymour, the supermodel from the 90s. She lives there, so I saw her last time that I was there. She's so beautiful. Oh my god. And anyway, guys, I'll let you guys go. I just wanted to unbox this with you guys today, share my little Chanel unboxing, my pink Chanel. This is my little pink Chanel collection right here. Yeah, and my birthday was today. It was awesome. Anyway, guys, I hope you're all doing good, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for coming and sharing my birthday with me, guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.